Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan allow tethering, because providers sometimes block or charge for hotspots. Once confirmed, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Choose a WPA2 password so others can't join. Make sure the device you'll share from has sufficient battery or is plugged in, and decide whether you'll use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Each method trades ease for speed and stability. Now connect the client device. For Wi-Fi, scan networks, pick the hotspot SSID, enter the password, and check signal bars. Move closer if weak. If you choose USB, plug a quality cable, trust the computer if prompted, then enable USB tethering on the phone to expose network adapter settings. For Bluetooth, pair devices, then enable the network access profile on the client to route traffic. Make sure mobile data is active, so the tether actually provides internet. To finish, confirm internet by loading a page or running a speed check. You want to verify throughput and latency for your task. If it fails, toggle the hotspot off and on, reconnect the client, or switch to USB for a more reliable link. Also inspect APN settings, data caps, and any carrier throttling. If problems persist, restart both devices and test another client. Often a reboot or a different connection method reveals whether the issue is device, cable, or carrier related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.